Bei der Verarbeitung einer weiteren Großprobe aus der Lulo Mine hat Lucapa Diamond nicht nur 41 Diamanten mit einem Gesamtgewicht von 66,05 Karat entdeckt, sondern es wurde auch der Beweis dafür erbracht, dass erstmals auf der Lulo Mine eine primäre Diamantenquelle gefunden werden konnte. Aber nicht nur das. Lucapa Diamond konnte auch nachweisen, dass innerhalb dieser primären Quelle auch Diamanten mit über 10,8 Karat gefunden werden. Damit gelten sie als sogenannte spezielle Diamanten, was den Fund umso spektakulärer macht. Was diese News für die Firma bedeuten, das wird uns CEO Stephen Weatherall in einem exklusiven Statement erklären.
Hi, Jan. Thanks again to you and Axino for hosting me once again. Obviously the results that we've just released are fantastic. They're our best results ever when it comes to our kimberlite exploration program. We all know that we have been recovering very special diamonds and large diamonds at that from our secondary source alluvial mining campaign on the surface, above ground, so to speak. And at the same time, we have been exploring for these very special sources on the same ground. What we released this week was very, very important result. This is the first time that we have actually got evidence that the kimberlites that we are working through actually host diamonds greater than 10.8 carats, or as we call them in the industry, specials. So that is very, very important. We have previously identified other sources. The material that we processed through our plants have recovered diamonds of smaller size. So whilst they are sources, we assess them as being likely uneconomic because they weren't showing us the large diamonds that we had been recovering in our alluvials. The result from L164 is the first time that we have recovered specials from our bulk sampling campaign. It is somewhat unique because of the circa 5,600 tons that we have put through, and we have recovered 2 specials in that. When you compare them to other kimberlite mines around the world, another one of which we own in Lesotho called Matai, and our neighbor in Lesotho called Litseng, we have recovered specials at a very, very high frequency, i.e. just 1 special every 3,000 tons. And when you compare it to the other mines at 6,000 and 9,000 tons, certainly compare favorably. So this is the very first time we have recovered these large diamonds, proving that the kimberlites that we are searching through and proving up as sources, and hopefully economic sources, are in fact delivering these large stones.
Auf diesen Fund haben Aktionäre schon lange gewartet, denn es zeigt, dass die Firma auf einem sehr guten Weg ist und somit auch das Projekt auf eine neue Stufe heben kann. Zuvor konnte Lucapa schon auf dem Lulo-Projekt größere Diamanten finden, aber diese Probe war auch in Hinsicht auf die Größe noch einmal besonders. Die Firma hat einen sogenannten speziellen Diamanten alle 3000 Tonnen Gestein gefunden. Im Vergleich zu anderen großen Minen brauchten diese ca. 6.000 bis 9.000 Tonnen. Ich wollte nun auch von Stephen Weatherall wissen, was genau der Fund und die News in Hinblick auf das Thema Exploration in Angola bedeuten.
Jan, in terms of what it means in terms of exploration, in a webinar we hosted in December, we noted that we had discovered 10 diamondiferous kimberlite pipes on the concession so far through our sampling. Having gone through those and assessing them, whilst they are diamondiferous, they are a source of diamonds. So we have actually identified 10 sources of diamonds. Taking it to the next step of evaluation in the program, one needs to consider whether it is worthwhile spending more money on those sources to try and confirm whether they are an economic source, or whether you continue to search through the existing priority kimberlites or continue to go through the list of kimberlites that you've got in terms of identifying additional sources. We obviously believe that we had not yet landed on a very, very diamond-rich kimberlite in terms of contribution to our alluvial resources, which is why we continue to process our pipes. L164 is the very first pipe where we have got these kinds of recoveries, the very first pipe where we've got these large stones. So we will, in the second phase of our kimberlite exploration program and evaluation program, come back and take much bigger bulk samples from this pipe. recovering more diamonds to be able to give us a better assessment of the grade, i.e. the number of diamonds per ton or the weight of diamonds per ton, and a better idea of the diamond quality and value, i.e. are we recovering diamonds of high enough value to sustain a mining campaign across this pipe. So that is the second phase of exploration and evaluation that we will do down the line. In terms of the current program, we will continue to process the kimberlites that are on our current priority bulk sampling list. And the reason we are doing that is that we believe that we have got multiple sources or multiple contributors to the alluvial diamonds that we are recovering on our concession. We have got many different mining blocks at different distances away from the diamondiferous kimberlites. The diamonds that we recover are exhibiting different characteristics. The kimberlites that we are assessing are of different sizes, contributing into different drainage systems and areas. So we firmly believe that we have got multiple economic kimberlite sources, and we are going to continue going through our priority list in order to sift through those. We do believe that this could be similar to the Merlin development here in Australia, where one mine actually processes kimberlites from a number of sources that are local or proximal to the treatment plant as well. So you know, we certainly believe that we will be looking for a number of sources on the Lulo concession.
Bei der Exploration von Diamanten müssen viele Tonnen Gestein bewegt werden. Durch die ungleiche Verteilung von Diamanten im Boden kann es sein, dass 9 von 10 Abschnitten beispielsweise ohne Diamanten sind und der 10. Abschnitt dann 10 Diamanten enthält. Und so gibt es 1 Diamanten im Schnitt pro Abschnitt. Das macht insgesamt aber die Erstellung einer Ressource so schwer im Vergleich zu anderen Rohstoffen. Die Firma wird nun aber weitere Schritte einleiten, um diesem großen Ziel näher zu kommen. Auch arbeitet Lucapa weiterhin an der Entwicklung des Merlin-Projekts in Australien und macht dort immer weitere Fortschritte. Alles Wichtige hierzu und rund um die Firma, das erfahrt ihr im erst kürzlich veröffentlichten Interview mit dem CEO Stephen Weatherall. Weitere Informationen zu der Firma auf axinocapital.de/Lucapa.